Hey guys, welcome back to the Avron channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make your own paper plate Christmas countdown snowman. It's the perfect way to count down to Christmas. You can find the list of items you need in the description box below. So let's get started. So first you're going to take a marker and you're going to write the numbers 25 all the way till 1 along the edge of your paper plate. Just make sure you leave a little bit of space between each number as you write. The next step is to take an orange foam sheet of paper and we're going to cut out a carrot shape out of it. So now that you've cut out your carrot, you're going to take a split pin and pierce it through the base of the carrot. And then you're going to take a pair of scissors and then pierce a hole through the middle of your plate. And then once you have created the hole for your plate, you're going to take the carrot, put the split pin through the back, and then open it up the split just so the carrot is attached to the plate. So now you have your counter. Now taking a black piece of construction paper, you're going to draw 2 large circles to use as the coal-shaped eyes. And then you're going to draw 5 smaller circles to use as the snowman mouth. And then using your scissors now, you're going to cut out these circles. Now using the remaining construction paper, you're going to draw the hat shape to put on the top of your snowman. So here I am just drawing it out, and then I'm just going to use the scissors to cut out the shape. Now taking a glue stick, you're going to glue all the pieces onto your plate. Starting with the eyes, we're going to glue all the pieces, and now we're going to glue all the pieces for the mouth. You're going to want to do a curved shape so you make the smile of the snowman. Now taking your hat, you're going to glue it to the top of your snowman where you didn't write any numbers. Now you're going to choose a color of glitter glue of your choice, and you're going to write days till Christmas on the hat, or you can also leave it blank if you choose. So you can also decorate your hat with any design you want. So here I am just adding a little bit of mistletoe to the hat for some color. And that's it. Now you have your very own paper plate snowman Christmas countdown. You just move the nose down to however many days left there is till Christmas. And you can just use it as decor in your home, classroom, or anywhere really where you just want to make it look a little bit more festive. So make sure to subscribe for more craft videos. Thanks. Bye.